What's going on, billionaires, and welcome back to your weekly analysis on GJ. Man, these analyses have been going crazy. If you've been tapping in, you know these analyses have been spot on. So we're back with another one. Um, this week on GJ, we got some interesting things happening here. But looking into this, we want to make sure that we're paying close attention and just being patient, just as far as how we see market moving. A couple things I want to point out as we're moving through. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Looking at our monthly time frame, we do see, price attempting to push up here. We have a nice wick here that has not yet been filled. And we did see this nice pull to the downside. Something that I want you guys to pay attention to when it comes to GJ. A lot of the times it makes patterns on smaller time frames that it also makes on higher time frames. So I like to pay attention to those patterns and try to see, all right, what's going to happen next. What I mean by that, peep this right now. We are on our monthly time frame. We can see this bullish candle with this nice top wick, this nice long top wick, followed by this dragonfly doji candle. If we peep our weekly time frame, we can see that same kind of pattern forming here, right? Bullish candle with a long top wick, followed by this kind of doji, this bearish doji candle. Right, so moving into this next week, I want to see what this next candle does, how this next week closes, which will kind of more likely to not give us a nice indication on what's going to happen to end off this month. All right, but moving into the actual week, things that we're looking forward to happen on the week, kind of curious to see what happens. Looking at this daily, we did see price, came up, did come and tap into this neckline of this higher time frame double bottom that we've been looking at for a minute now. And then price pushed up and somewhat rejected this area again, right? But what I want to see is if this price could potentially keep falling down, right? Just looking at these last couple candles as this price did try to start pushing bullish, not too much momentum here, right? Not too much momentum for this to just come and break above. Now, don't get me wrong. Price could definitely find some momentum here. Go ahead and push above. Or it could do like this kind of pullback here, just create a lower high and then come down, before finding support back down here. Not too sure, but I do want to see, price get out of this area before making any, quick or rational decisions. So that's kind of what I'll be paying attention to this week, to see if this level here holds, right? If price wants to continue moving up, or if it wants to come down and retest back into this 156 level. All right, but that's what I got for y'all this week. Hope y'all tapped in. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to all the content, all the channels, everything across. Everything will be in the description below. And like I said, we've been killing the analysis. I say we got one of the most accurate analysis on here right now. So make sure y'all tap in, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. And I'll catch y'all next week. Love.